I know. I always miss the good ones.
I broke.
Please come another one. I want that bad one to come back.
It's coming for the mouse.
For the mouse?
Yeah. And eat my baby bird.
He did?
Yeah.
Who did?
That cat.
Want me to get it?
No.
I'm gonna kill it right now.
No. And we'll eat it.
I showed him who's boss, huh?
Yeah.
I told him to leave your baby birds alone.
I want to kill her
Dude, I got that one. I'll bring back.
when they cut you.
I'm gonna have mom pieces. What was that say kill?
I will kill that worm. I know a worm.
Why do you play so much?
I'm gonna have to go back inside. He's on no wing line.
Oh, dude, I just got wet.
Just to melt off the
Me too. Oh, my forehead.
Raindrops keep falling on my head. That don't mean that. Shut up.
The E.T. The E.T. spider.
No, you're looking for.
The spider.
Like, how old is she? How old are you? How old are you? You're 3 years old and you act older than her. You act like you're 11. High five.
Come on, baby.